Two-way tables. A two-way table, also known as contingency table, is a way of organizing and displaying data that relates to two different categorical variables. It consists of rows and columns, with each row representing one category of the first variable and each column representing one category of the second variable. The cells of the table contain the frequency or count of each combination of the two variables. For example, let's say we are conducting a survey on the preferred modes of transportation among people of different age groups. We can create a two-way table to show the results, with one variable being age group, for example 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, etc., and the other variable being mode of transportation, for example car, public transportation, bike, etc. The resulting table would show the frequency or count of each combination of age group and mode of transportation. Here is an example of what a two-way table might look like. The table is here. So age group is from 18 to 24 and cars are 50, public transportation is 30 and bikes are 20, so on. This table shows the number of respondents in each age group who prefer each mode of transportation. For example, we can see that 50 respondents in 18 to 24 age group prefer to travel by car, while 30 prefer public transportation and 20 prefer a bike. This information can be useful for analyzing and understanding the relationship between the two variables. To calculate probability from our two-way table, first determine the total number of observations or sample size in the table. Use the formula probability of A and B is equal to number of observations in both A and B over total number of observations, where probability of A and B represents the probability of both events A and B occurring together. For example, let's say we have the following two-way table that shows the distribution of students by gender and major, as shown in the table. If we want to calculate the probability of our randomly chosen student being male and majoring in engineering, we can use the formula above. Probability of male and engineering equals 50 over 80 plus 60 will be equal to 0.45. So the probability of our randomly chosen student being male and majoring in engineering is 0.45 or 45%. Examination tips. When completing our two-way table, take care to double check that your values add up to each rows or columns total and that your totals add up to the overall total.